Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, with how to automate your business. Today's lesson is the app called Autopost in Builderall on Facebook. So why would you want to automate your posting of your posts? Well, basically you can be cooking a dinner, putting the children to bed, or you can even be on holiday and your business is working while you're doing something else. So that is the main reason why you need an auto poster. And if you use the Facebook chatbot in conjunction with this, then you're a highly skilled entrepreneur that can actually make sales in your sleep. So without further ado, I will show you exactly where it is in the back office. So click on Apps, Autopost. To start with, you will have to add your page here. As you can see, I've got 3. Let's go to this one. I'll just show you quickly. You have to click the name of the new rule, which is, say, a motivation quote. And I want to put it at, say, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Oops, or 2:01 will do. Then you find the image that you want. For instance, that one. Add roll. How quick was that? I'm going to do another one just to show you very quickly. You can do this, but you can do like a motivation post every day. And if you do it at the same time every day, people will think, how does she do that? She does it at the same time every day. She's cool. And people actually sit up more if you do it at the same time every day, because you're reliable and you don't let people down. So let's choose another quote. Let's have a red one. So all you need is a few motivation quotes or a few value posts. The 80-20 rule is important. 80% value, 20% sales. So 1 in 5 or 2 in 10 can be promotional posts. So I will see you on the next video. That's all for now. Bye.